Are you looking for the best budget turntables? Budget turntables have become a realistic entry point for vinyl enthusiasts who want authentic analog sound without a six-figure audio system. The category spans from compact suitcase models with built-in speakers to more capable belt drive units with external upgrades. For this review, I test and compare 5 models across a price spectrum from sub $45 to $250, representing popular options from product number 1, vinyl record player wireless turntable. Overview. The UDreamer UD001 is a belt-driven 3-speed 33, 45, 78 RPM turntable with built-in stereo speakers and multiple input options, Bluetooth, USB, AUX. Its wooden vintage aesthetic and compact footprint make it a compelling decor piece that can function standalone or feed external speakers via RCA output. Its auto-stop feature adds convenience by halting workation at the end of a record, reducing wear on stylus and pressings. At $44.99, it represents the budget baseline with flexible playback modes for casual listeners who value simplicity and portability over precision high fidelity. Performance-wise, the built-in speakers provide a retro-forward sound that suits background listening and social settings, though they are not high-fidelity drivers. The turntable benefits from a belt-driven design to dampen some vibration, and the detachable dust cover helps keep records clean between sessions. External listening options via RCA outputs allow a pair of bookshelf or octave speakers to substantially improve dynamics if you're moving beyond 4-inch built-in drivers. Practical use cases include bedroom listening, dorm rooms, or as a gift with broad appeal. Note that 78 RPM support is a pleasant. Product number 2, Soulbox S1 vinyl record player with overview. The Soulbox S1 from ClearSoul is a semi-assembled, entry-level audiophile-oriented turntable pairing built-in stereo bookshelf speakers with a switchable preamp, S-shaped tone arm, and a credible cartridge, AT3600L. Weighing around 21 pounds with a 1.2 kilogram die-cast plotter, it showcases a sturdier chassis and more refined hardware than typical budget units. Priced at $249.98, it targets buyers who want a more capable, self-contained system with better fidelity while remaining an all-in-one solution that still avoids a separate amp or speakers. Performance-wise, the S1's 10-inch S-shaped tone arm, adjustable counterweight, and anti-skating control contribute to more precise tracking and reduced distortion, especially on classic records with dynamic grooves. The built-in preamp offers flexibility for direct-to-speaker playback or integration with external amplification. The 25mm silk dome tweeter and 130mm fiberglass cone compromise between clarity and warmth, offering a more engaging listening experience than typical budget models. User experience leans toward a plug-and-play setup with a modern aesthetic, suitable for small living spaces, desks, or dedicated listening corners. Product number 3, Victrola Journey Bluetooth Portable. Overview. The Victrola Journey is a classic suitcase-style 3-speed belt-driven player with built-in Bluetooth speakers and RCA outputs, designed for portability and quick setup. It emphasizes ease of use, portability, and a nostalgic aesthetic, priced at $59.99. Its integrated Bluetooth lets you stream from mobile devices, while the RCA outputs enable connection to external speakers for improved sound when stationary. Performance-wise, the Journey prioritizes accessibility over audiophile-grade fidelity. The form factor makes it ideal for entertaining in various rooms or taking to a friend's house, with auto-stop and simple controls that reduce setup friction. The main trade-off is that built-in speakers limit depth, image, and dynamics, but the unit remains a solid value for casual listening and beginner vinyl exploration. For students, dorm rooms, or families. Product number 4. 1x1 High-Fidelity Belt Drive Overview. The 1x1 belt drive turntable emphasizes a more refined build with a magnetic cartridge, built-in amplifier, Bluetooth streaming, and auxiliary input. The unit is designed to deliver a more complete listening experience within a single cabinet, priced at a mid-range level for a budget category. Its features include Bluetooth streaming from smartphones and a replaceable stylus, highlighting its versatility and upgrade potential over the most entry-level options. Performance-wise, the combination of a magnetic cartridge and built-in amplification suggests a clearer, more balanced sound than the typical consumer-level suitcase. The included Audio-Technica-styled stylus hints at a focus on tracking accuracy and sound quality, though the overall cabinet size and speaker power remain modest by audiophile standards. Use cases center on living rooms or desks where space is at a premium, but a better than basic. Product number 5. Victrola Journey Bluetooth Portable Overview. This lavender silver Victrola Journey variant mirrors the white suitcasing concept, portable, 3-speed, with built-in speakers, Bluetooth, and RCA outputs. It is positioned as an accessible, visually appealing option for casual listeners who value portability and colorful styling. The $55.94 price point expands selection for shoppers who want a lighter, more compact version of Victrola's staple suitcase player with contemporary colorways. Performance-wise, the Journey's strengths lie in convenience and style, making it easy to integrate into a variety of spaces. Like its sibling, it favors ease over detailed audiophile performance, with built-in speakers intended for close-range listening and social scenarios. The colorway and compact design are compelling for teens, dorm rooms, or as a travel-friendly secondary player. For power users seeking deeper bass and expansive soundstage, external amplification would still be necessary.